welcome back to Starr's Princess Show. Today I am opening the 3-in-1 Dream Camper. I am so excited to open it. Here's what it looks like on the back. It has its own kitchen, a shower, everything you need for this camper. And it has a boat and a Jeep. Well, it has a boat inside, but a Jeep is in front. Oh my gosh. Let's open this thing. Here's the Barbie camper. Oh my gosh. And Barbie is going to give us a tour of the Barbie camper. But first, we're going to decorate it with stickers. Hi you guys, today I'm here with my camper and my friends, and we're gonna give you a little tour of the camper. Alright you girls, let's do this! Hi guys, it's me, CookieSwirlC. And I am here at the table. Here's the dining room. Got some orange juice right there. Barbie, how's the food going? It's going good. We could grab some marshmallows or sausage out on the grill. Okay. Here you go. Thanks, Barbie. You're welcome. Let's put it down on my plate. I think these sausages are going to be the best. You want a sausage? Okay, you can have one. There's some over here. Here you go. Did you catch another fish? Yes, I sure did. Whoa, that was a big one. Yup, it's the biggest one I ever catch. Hey guys, I'm up here. Here is a tour of the bedroom. There's also a bunk bed. But I like staying in this bed because I'm a little afraid of heights. So, here I am. I'm gonna go downstairs and freshen up. Oh, hi guys. This is a tour of the bathroom. There's a shower. And here is all the brushing teeth and stuff. Got some toothpaste. And I'm going to go freshen up. So I'm going to get in the shower. Hi! I'm just watching TV in the living room. And this is a tour of the living room. You've got a big screen TV. Candles, some books, everything, even a couch. Definitely a couch. Do you need a couch to sit? So. And on the other side of the camper, it could turn into a pool. Hey girls, I have an idea. Let's have a pool party. Sounds fun. Okay, I'm gonna stop my fishing and go to the pool party. Oh my gosh, a pool party? I am so excited. Let's go. Ah, that was a nice warm shower. But wait, did somebody say pool party? Let's go. Yay, let's fill up the water. Woohoo! Oh, and Barbie, I love your swimsuit. Oh, thank you. This is so nice. Yep. Too bad the dogs can't come in here because you're relaxing. Yep. Tracy! Tracy! Thanks for watching. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. See you all next time. Bye!